Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw some basic roof shapes in Sketchup. So I'm going to start with most common shape, that is Gable roof, and before that you can extrude these shapes using rectangle tool and push pull tool, and you can draw any room sizes like this. So I'm going to start with Gable roof. So I'm going to use line tool here, and I'm going to select the midpoint here, and I will draw the front face here. And now this is our front part, and now I'm going to draw this midline here. So I will use erase tool and I will delete this, and I'm going to use push pull tool here, and now I will extrude this till this end, and you can see this. So this is the shape, and now I'm going to use offset tool, and I'm going to offset this front part here, and I will draw this shape, and you can delete this line using erase tool. So if you want to show some projections, you can use this method. And now I'm going to use push pull tool. I will extrude this front part here, and I will go behind, and I will use push pull tool, and I will drag this till here. So this is the method of drawing gable roof. We can apply some roof material here, and so this is the process for gable. And next is hip roof. So for hip roof I am going to use again line tool here, and I will take this midpoint here, and I will draw like this half portion, and then I will select this roof here, and I will use follow me, and I will select this shape. So this is the process of drawing hip roof. So this is the hip roof. We can apply materials. So this is the process of hip roof. So next is mansard roof. So I'm going to draw mansard roof. So for mansard roof I'm going to use offset tool here, and I will offset this like this, and I will extrude this shape here using push pull tool, and you can take any height. So I'm going to take 3 feet, and now we can extrude this using a rectangle here, and I'm going to use rectangle tool. And I'm going to erase this midline here, and I'm going to extrude this to any suitable height. And now I'm going to select this here. I will double click, and I will use scale command here, and I will press control, and then we will make a slope here. Again I am going to select this part, and I will use a scale, and then press control, and then I'm going to make a slope here. So this is the process of drawing mansard roof. See, and you can apply materials. So this is the mansard roof. Next I am going to tell you how to draw pyramid roof. So for drawing pyramid I am going to draw a rectangle here, and this is the roof shape, and I am going to use line tool here, and I will intersect this, and I am going to use move tool here, and I will hover over this, and then I will move upwards, and then I will press up button here, up arrow, and you can see this is locked, and now we can move this upwards to our desired height. And now I am going to place this and you can orbit this. So this is the pyramid roof. You can apply roof material and create group. Also want, so this is the pyramid roof. Next I am going to use cross gable roof. So for cross gable roof I am going to use this shape, and I am going to use line tool again, and I will take this midpoint here and I will draw half shape here, and then I am going to select this roof shape and I will use follow me tool, and then I will select this shape. So this is the cross hip roof portion here, and can apply roof material here. So this is cross hip roof process. So I will tell you how we can draw cross gable roof. So for cross gable roof I am going to use this shape here, and I'm going to erase this line here, and I'm going to use line tool again, and I will take this shape here, front shape, and I will draw this and I will erase this line here. So I am going to use push pull tool and I will draw till here, and again I am going to use offset here. I will offset this, then I will delete these two lines, then we'll extrude this like we did in gable roof, same process, and then I am going to use push pull tool here. I will drag till here. Next I am going to draw this shape, so I am going to use my line tool here. I will take to any height and I will draw this front face here, and I am going to erase this, and I will use and push pull tool control, and I will drag this till this side, and we'll follow the same process here. I'm going to use offset tool. I will select this corner here and I will offset this, and then I will delete these two lines, and I'm going to extrude this, then I will move this. Again I will use push pull tool here. So and join this roof, and now I'm going to join this. So you can see this is the process of drawing cross gable roof. Can apply roof material. So this is the process of cross gable roof. Next I am going to draw lean roof, so you can call it shade roof, roof shade, and you can call it as inclined roof also. So now I'm going to tell you how you can draw shade roof. So for this I'm going to draw a rectangle here, and you can draw to any desired shape, and I'm going to use extrude here, and I will extrude this to any thickness, and now I'm going to select all of this, and I will right click here and I will make a group here, and then I'm going to use move tool here, I will move this to any height, put this height, and I am going to use rotate tool here. I will select these corners and I will rotate this to any height roof inclination, and then we'll draw this kind of shapes. And you can apply group materials and you can draw some columns if you want. As per your design, you can draw some columns. So likewise, you can draw this roof set and flat roof. You can draw. It is easy, and you can draw any rectangle here. You can extrude this. You can use offset tool here, and you can draw this kind of flat roof, and you can use parapet. You can draw this kind of flat roof in SketchUp. So you can extrude this if you want. You can draw some shapes if you want to extrude. So this was the tutorial how to draw some basic roof shapes. So hope you have liked this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will come with some more interesting topics in SketchUp. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.